this second video, we will see the fifth lesson. So after completing this, we will see the fourth lesson. So in this fifth lesson, first problem, consider a parallel plate capacitor whose plates are closely spaced. Let R be the radius of the plate and the current in the wire connected to the plates is 5 ampere. So I value is given and it is considered as a parallel plate capacitor. Calculate the displacement current through the surface passing through the plate. So and also calculating the rate of change of flux of electric field through the surface. So we have to find out the displacement current value, that is ID. So here the current in conduction, that is conduction current IC is given. So IC is equal to 5 ampere. Now we have to calculate the ID value. Solution. So given conduction current is given, IC is given 5 ampere. So ID we have to find out. Solution. So in this find outing the ID value, so we have to calculate the flux, electric flux also. So phi is equal to Q by epsilon naught, that is you know that. So here ID is equal to, so according to the Maxwell's correction, ID is equal to, that is displacement current is equal to epsilon naught into change in magnetic flux with respect to time. So d phi by dt is equal to, so d phi value is Q by epsilon naught. Substitute that value Q by epsilon naught, then cancel the constants epsilon naught, then finally you will get dq by dt. So ID is also called a dq by dt, that is rate of change of current. So is equal to, what is the Q value? So already you know that I is equal to Q by T. So Q is equal to IT. So here I is referred as a conduction current. So dICT divided by dt. So constant you have to take it out in the IC value. So IC dt by dt. So dt cancel, then finally IC value. So ID is also equal to IC. That is displacement current is also equal to conduction current. So the value is same. So it is also equal to 5 ampere. So it has the same value. ID is equal to IC is equal to 5. Next second problem. A transmitter consists of LC, inductor and also capacitor circuit with an inductance of 1 mu Henry and a capacitance of 1 mu farad. So what is the wavelength of the electromagnetic wave it emits? So here L is given, C is given. Now we have to find out the wavelength lambda. So let's see the solution now. So given L is equal to 1 mu Henry. So it is also equal to mu value is 10 to the power minus 6. So that is micro. So 10 to the power minus 6 Henry, and also C value is 1 mu farad. So what is the value? 10 to the power minus 6 farad. So we have to find out the wavelength, that is lambda. Then the solution, the wavelength of electromagnetic wave, that is EM wave, lambda is equal to general formula C by F, that is lambda is equal to C by F. Here C is referred as the velocity of the light, or that is speed of the light. Lambda is equal to C by F. C is equal to speed of light is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So and before that we have to find out the wavelength, we have to find out the frequency. So what is the frequency in the oscillation? That is F is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC. So this is the frequency value. So F is equal to 1 divided by, we have to find out that frequency value, 2 into pi value to 3.14. Then already they are given L value and also C value, 10 to the power minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. So 1 divided by, so minimize all the values here. So remove the square root values and also minimize this all the values, and you will get the final value 10 to the power 6 divided by 6.28 Hertz. That is a frequency unit. So this is, now substitute the F value. So lambda is equal to C by F. So C is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by F is 10 to the power 6 divided by 6.28. So it can be converted into numerator. So 6.28. So minimize, cancel some of the values and minimize all the values. Then you will get 18.84 into 10 to the power 2. So that is lambda is equal to 18.84 into 10 to the power 2 meter. So this is the final answer, that is lambda value. Then third sum, a pulse of light of duration 10 to the power minus 6 second is observed completely by a small object initially at rest. So a pulse of light duration is given, that is t is given. It can be observed completely by a small object. The object initially at rest. If the power of the pulse is 60 into 10 to the power minus 3 watt, calculate the final momentum of the object. So at rest initial is given and also their power value is given. So power pulse is given. Then calculate the final momentum of the object. Let's find out the momentum value. So given t is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 second, power is equal to 60 into 10 to the power minus 3 watt, and momentum, that is final momentum, we have to find out. So initial momentum value, the final momentum value P is equal to U by C is the general formula. So here U is referred as power into time. So and also C is referred as the speed of light. So that value is constant, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Then we have to find out the final momentum value. P is equal to, so here power into time divided by C. Power value is given, so substitute that value. Then T value is also given, 10 to the power minus 6 second. So here I substitute the T value first, then power value divided by velocity, that is speed of light. So substitute and minimize all the values, then finally you will get 20 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6. So into 10 to the power minus 8 and minimize all the powers value, then you will get 20 into 10 to the power minus 17 kilogram meter per second. So this is the final momentum value, that is P value. Then fourth problem, let an electromagnetic wave propagate along the x direction. The magnetic field oscillates at the frequency of 10 to the power 10 Hertz. So and as an amplitude of 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla, acting along the y direction, that is perpendicular to each other. Then compute, that is find out the wavelength of the wave, lambda value, and also write down the expression for electric field in this case. So let's see the solution now. So here we have to find out lambda value and also expression value for electric field. Let's see the solution. Here given value is frequency f is equal to 10 to the power 10 Hertz is given, and also the amplitude value of the magnetic field, that is B naught is equal to 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla is given. Here the amplitude represents the maximum value, that way we have to represent as B naught. Then solution, first we have to find out the wavelength. So lambda is equal to C by F, that is a general formula. So C value, that is constant, 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by frequency value, already they are given, so 10 to the power 10. So cancel the powers value and finally you will get 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So lambda is equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Then second one, we have to find out the expression for electric field in electromagnetic wave. So this is the expression, E is equal to, that is E naught sine kx minus omega t. So this is the expression for electric field in electromagnetic wave. So we have to find out this value, and before that, so we have to find out the E naught value and also K value, then omega value. Then find out all the values and substitute in this equation, you will get the equation value. So E naught is equal to, so what is the value of E naught means E naught is equal to CB naught. So E value is, E naught is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per Coulomb. So next we have to find out the K value. So K is equal to constant 2 pi by lambda. So 2 into pi value 3.14 divided by lambda value. Already the lambda value is there. Lambda is equal to 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. So substitute that value in this K value. So finally you will get 2.09 into 10 to the power 2 is the K value. So and also find out the omega value. Omega is equal to general formula 2 pi f. So 2 into pi value 3.14 into f is 10 to the power 10 is equal to, so minimize that value, 6.28 into 10 to the power 10. So that is your omega value. Then substitute all these three values in this equation, that is expression. So E vector is equal to E naught value 3 into 10 to the power 3, then sin kx minus omega t. K value 2.09 into 10 to the power 2x 10 to the power 2 into x minus of, so omega value is there and substitute that, then t is t, there is a not given in the t value, so we have to write the t value, then it is in the direction of I vector, that is x axis. So that is the unit Newton per Coulomb. So this is the equation for this above value. Finally, fifth problem. In this fifth problem, if the relative permittivity and relative permeability and relative permittivity of the medium is given, so mu r and also epsilon r is given. Find the speed of the electromagnetic wave in this medium. Now find out the speed, that is velocity, v value. So let's see the solution now. In the solution, the given value is relative permeability mu r is given 1. Then relative permittivity epsilon r is equal to 2.25. Then find the velocity, that is speed. So solution, speed of electromagnetic wave in vacuum is, or free space, is equal to, that is c is equal to 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught, that is in the free space. Suppose it is in the medium, that is we have to find out the speed of electromagnetic wave in medium. So v is equal to 1 by root of mu epsilon naught. So what is the mu value? So mu is equal to, already you know that mu r, that is relative permeability, is equal to mu by mu naught. So here, so it is in the medium, so mu is equal to mu naught mu r. The same thing, epsilon is equal to epsilon r epsilon naught. Then substitute this value in the above equation, then v is equal to 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught mu r and epsilon r. So this value, substitute this value, and it can be splitted into two values, that is 1 by root of mu r epsilon r, then mu naught epsilon naught. So 1 by root of mu naught epsilon naught is the value of c. So substitute that, c divided by, then remaining things are root of mu r epsilon r. So substitute the values of c. C value is a general formula, 3 into 10 to the power 8, divided by, you know that mu r, that is relative permeability is given and also permittivity is given. Substitute that value, then minimize, remove the root value and minimize that. Finally you will get 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So final value is v is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of electromagnetic wave in the medium. So from this this above equation problem, we have to conclude that fifth lesson. So next class we will continue the fourth lesson, numerical problem. So the first volume is over. Then we will start the second volume.